Hi everyone, it is Patrick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi. I have a super exciting video for you all today, so strap in, get ready. It's gonna be a good one. Today I'm going to show you how you can make the Starbucks sugar cookie latte at home. Now, this has been kind of going a little bit viral on TikTok and people have very mixed opinions on it. Some people say that like this is like the perfect holiday drink. It tastes just like sugar cookies. It's perfect for winter. Other people are not the biggest fan, but this drink definitely has its die-hard fans and I'm one of them. It's so good, like really good. I've also been seeing that people are like kind of making secret menu drinks. They're adding like vanilla cold foam on top. They're adding chai. Like people are just going in on this drink and it's kind of having a moment right now. And I think it deserves a moment. So this was a drink that they actually released last year and I did do a video on it, but I think I could do a lot better. In that old video, I pretty much just used like a pre-made syrup and it definitely did taste similar to the Starbucks one, but with this new recipe that I have, it's like pretty spot on. And it's completely homemade. So we have the comfort of knowing like what's going into the drink and we could tweak it if we wanted to. Like we just have a lot more control now and we love control. So in my last video, which was my peppermint mocha recipe, I showed off my new Nespresso machine. Oh my gosh, you all, I cannot emphasize enough how much I love this thing. If you have kind of been on the fence for a while now about buying an Nespresso, this is your sign to go ahead and buy it. I will have the one that I bought linked down below. I love it. It is the best thing ever. And there should be some pretty good deals on Nespressos coming up with like Black Friday, Cyber Monday. This is the time you need this in your life. Trust me. It will save you so much money in the long run. And I'm going to be using it again for today's video. So this drink has a few different elements to it. It has the sugar cookie syrup, blonde espresso, almond milk, and ice. And sprinkles. Love those. That might sound like a lot, but trust me, it could not be easier. Like, if you are in love with this drink, there is no excuse not to make it at home. You can do it. I will show you how to do it. Do not worry. So the first thing that we have to do is make our sugar cookie syrup. That sounds like a lot, but trust me, it is like super simple. So the syrups that Starbucks uses are pretty much just like simple syrups, which is equal parts sugar and water, and they just like add flavoring to it. So how are we going to get this syrup to taste just like a sugar cookie? Stay tuned. So I found this recipe on a website called Lifestyle of a Foodie. I will have it linked down below. Thank you so much to the author for like doing all the legwork. Like you really did this. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and grab a microwave safe cup. And the first thing you're going to add is a 1/4 cup of water. Then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. And then you're going to put in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 2 tablespoons going in. So we are just going to pop this in the microwave until the sugar is completely dissolved and this is like heated up a little bit. So maybe like a minute and a half. Okay, we're back. So that took like a minute and a half and all of the sugar is completely dissolved and it's like heated up a little bit. So now we have to make this taste like a sugar cookie and this trio of extracts is going to get the job done. So the first thing we are going to add is the most basic thing ever, but we love it. It's gonna be 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Please be sure to like get pure vanilla extract. You can tell a difference. And then my favorite sugar cookie recipe in the world has a little bit of almond extract in it. So we have to add it into this syrup. So right now this tastes like super sweet, super like vanilla-y and almond-y, but what is missing here that will just like take it to cookie level? We might need it to taste a little buttery. So what we're gonna do is add a couple drops of butter extract. Yes, that's a thing. It's literally called butter extract. This is just going to take this to another level. So the recipe calls for 2 drops of butter extract. I don't know how to get like a drop. Oh, okay. Okay, so all of our flavorings are in here. Now we can just give this a stir. And that is how you make the Starbucks sugar cookie syrup at home. Okay, so now that this is done, we can get going on the rest of our drink. So this drink at Starbucks uses their blonde espresso. And I recently just got my Nespresso machine. And Starbucks has their blonde espresso roast in Nespresso pods. Like, what? Everything just kind of worked out. Like, this is going a little bit too well. Isn't this like the best thing ever? So you can literally get that Starbucks flavor at home. Like, wow. So I'm going to be doing a grande iced latte. So that means I will need 2 shots of espresso. So I'm just gonna do like 2 of these. So before we start brewing the espresso, I'm just going to go ahead and get my syrup ready to go in the cup. So I'm going to go ahead and put 4 tablespoons of our sugar cookie syrup right in this cup. And please feel free to change this up if you want it more sweet or less sweet. Please adjust the amounts to like whatever you want. Actually, I think I'm feeling like less sweet today, so I'm just going to stick with 3 tablespoons. So let's go ahead and brew these up. Okay, so we are ready to go ahead and make our espresso. So literally all I'm going to do is pop in the pod right here, push it down, and it will start brewing. Okay, was that not like so easy? I love this new machine, love it. So we are going to pour the espresso shots right into our cup, right in with the sugar cookie syrup. Oh, that is like beautiful. And we're just going to give this a little bit of a swirl to mix in the espresso with the syrup, loves it. And this drink is made with almond milk. You can get it with any milk, but I really do think almond milk is like the best for this drink. We did add in a little bit of like almond extract, so it's like kind of buddy with that. But yeah, you can do oat milk. Ooh, that would be really good. So we're going to add the almond milk to the top line. I would say it's like a cup. Yay. So the next thing we are going to add is some ice. Okay, so our ice is in here. Now the last thing we are going to add are some fun sprinkles. I got this like holiday pack from Target, but the sprinkles that Starbucks uses are like the little red and green like balls. I think they're called non-periels, I think, but please feel free to use like whatever sprinkle you want. Sprinkles just make it more like fun. Does it really bring anything to the party? No, but we love her anyway. I'm gonna pop on the lid. Was that not so easy? Like if this is your favorite drink, you can totally do this at home. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a try. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me break it down. This tastes like a sugar cookie got put into a latte. I'm getting that blonde espresso. This is a billion times better with the blonde espresso as opposed to like the basic espresso. I'm getting the almond extract coming through, and just that touch of butter extract really does make this taste like it was like baked. Like 1000%. This would be amazing with like vanilla sweet cream cold foam. I've shown you how to make that on my channel before, so go ahead and check that video out. The flavor is unreal. That trio of vanilla, almond, and butter is like iconic. Oh my gosh, and then the almond milk like helps keep this drink really light. Wow. If you are a sugar cookie fan, please try this drink out. I'm so happy with how this turned out. Like, I love it so much. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you loved it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm at @ThePatrickMeyer, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.